What up guys? Monday, May just left, kinda late, but oh well. I got this in the mail. So this is one of two. The other one, it comes tomorrow, I guess. Let's see what's in there. My hand is complicated, but check this out, the packaging. This is from ChocoWorks. And this is my new set of wheels. Oh, what's in there? It's really funny because I was painting these wheels 6 days ago. And they are already here from Tokyo. Oh damn. These are Yokohama AVS Model 5. Check that out. Damn, already loving it. And this is only two. I have to wait the other two. So now you know, guys. If you're looking at plug in Japan, these are the guys. ChocoWorks. Just click here. 6 days, and it has finally sunny in LA. So this one showed up yesterday. Unboxing time. Alright guys, this is the set of wheels you saw last week, I guess, that I get from Japan, from ChocoWorks. These guys. And these are not perfect, of course. So I'm trying to fix this shit like that with my tool. That was fast. And this is pretty much done. Those are not the best tools. I'm pretty handy with the grinder, so yeah, I can bundle this detail. But check this out, guys. Update on the wheels, because I want to keep the OEM stuff always, and they have like a surface rust. I did some cleaning with these. You can use these on windows, glasses, paint, whatever. It won't scratch. That's the perfect tool for removing rust, surface rust. The other one is vinegar. And the wheels. Oh baby, these are fire. And I'm missing a few coats of clear coat yet. Damn, I'm so happy about these. Wheels are done and they look awesome, except it's too dark for my paint. So I have to repaint it, find the right color and paint it something like lighter than this. Oh well. What's up guys? Today's the day I'm taking this to the shop to repaint it, because I painted last week. They came out too dark. This is the color I have on my car, so I need lighter. So stay with me. I will show you the whole day stories about how to this get painted. Alright, I got it here. This is the shop here in the valley. It's this Northridge, I guess. This is the car from the owner. You may know this car. I've been showing this on the live videos and stuff. This is my buddy here. He told me like a surprise, I have my car ready for paint. This is it. It looks like a piece of shit right now. You have to wait for it. You may see this on the live videos too. It has a 20-inch wheels. Look at those. The baby he has here. He restored car. Italians, Alfa Romeos, stuff. 240s, C's. And here are my wheels, ready to rock. Let's see. I will show you later. Check this out. How many silver variations are. This is one book. I have more here and 3 more books over there. This is awesome and pretty fucked up, because your brain explodes when you say, oh, I want silver only, and then the guy show up with all this shit. So this is the one I'm using, the first one, and yep. clear coat. Let me show you actually outside, because it's way different. Check this out. God damn it, I can't wait to install this. Look at that, it's shinier actually in person. Babies are curing right now, and a few days ago I was talking with Damien about these wheels, and now I decided to test them. Now I kill myself because they can't look any better. Why this shit has to be happening right now that I decide go 17? Fuck my life. Guys, little update on the man. Alright. Come on, tarp, move. Fucking move. Thank you. What up, guys? Go watch the live video. I did a little chat about the future of this thing. Yeah. Damn. It hurts. This is how stupid low this shit is. This picture is burning my eyes. I can't believe I'm not gonna use those. Fuck. Check that out. My God. So nice. I was thinking and putting this for trade for any advanced RC2 or 3 in 18s. So if you have and you like these,